Guys, bro, everybody get in the car. Don't move, get in the car. Hello, bro.
Evan, get seated. We will start moving in just few seconds.
I want to drink.
Like in just few minutes.
Bro,
Come
I want
fast.
to drink. Ben niye düşüreyim seni ben şimdi?
I think we have to move fast, please.
Shukla, we will move soon. If you have the time, you can go. No problem. We will go the number. If you want to go, it's not for sure.
I have time for 7
Set
minutes.
empty, set.
So now we will move in 5 minutes. Like almost.
5 minutes?
Yes, around 5 minutes. But we will take some time. If you want to leave, you can leave, bro. It's no problem. You can leave. If you have some or see your family friends.
Abi arabalar burada ya. Instagram baksana bir Emre abi kaç olmuş? Kaç olmuş? Bir düşürdüler yazıyor. Numara da kaç mı? Halletmemiz lazım.
Emir, if you are demoting one, don't demote anyone.
Okay.
Amir,
okay.
don't demote anyone. Okay, without my permission, only I can. If someone is misusing,
Okay,
I will
okay,
demote
okay.
him. Okay, don't do it.
Okay.
Nice to meet you Lord Morgan.
I just need because there will be a lot of NG and Leos and every kind of stuff. It will be difficult.
PG Patel, can you hear me?
Guys, get in your vehicle, everyone.
Everybody, yellow closer, please. Yellow closer.
When we are moving, Roman sir, when we are moving.
Sir! Hey, Emre, get in the car, please.
Set empty. Set empty for me. Okay.
Not morning stuff, but different line, bro. Different line. What? Different line, bro.
I am coming. Wait.
Oh, not audible at all.
You still have some a little time. Okay, so come fast.
Okay.
Move it to the right.
What happened, Shukla?
He is ramming again and again.
Okay, if you can let me know, okay? I will demote him.
Okay.
Araba nasıl? Ha?
Şu arabayı bize al.
Engin değil mi? Bagajında mermi mi?
Visit clear. Visit
Setenin
clear.
kıyafetini giyer misin?
I go Hamza Romano.
No man, enter time. No man, enter time.
We will enter soon. Like I will just start moving in 1 minute. So
Adamda bak vardı herhalde. Ve yerden kırdı.
Noman seems to remove
I am coming to my left,
Noman come, remove near the gate.
Okay, PG Patel come.
Okay, no,
come.
no, no, no.
PG Patel, Roger come.
No, like
Set the MP, set the MP.
guys, we start moving. Okay, just follow us. You know, just follow us. Okay. Don't see stupid. Okay, just follow. No one will break the convoy. Okay, no one will break the convoy.
One my left.
Guys, come to the new MP. Everyone, come new MP.
Guys, don't car ramming. Don't car ramming. Hey, don't
Okay,
car
guys,
ramming.
enter.
Enter, guys.
Guys, there will be fight, so be ready. Okay. There will be heavy tent. Just enter the ship. Everyone, come near the. Just follow the MP.
Everybody. Hey, sit up, say.
Come. Don't show the red car. Okay, don't shoot red car.
Hamza, come, Hamza.
Guys, everyone safe. Come to the
Yes,
MP.
sir. Try
And
to
just,
kill the NG if you see anyone.
just come inside and kill all the Leos. NG, Leo, whatever you see. But don't shoot the red guy and the other
Lan
one.
geri çık.
By the way,
Arash,
NG is our
gear check,
new
please.
base from now, okay? NG is our new HU. Guys,
PG Patel, come to the military base. Come inside military base. PG Patel.
take speed and take.
Coming.
But once you are in the jail, I can do nothing. If you're getting arrested, you can let me know. We will come to save
No
you.
man, how much time left for the alarm?
I am starting.
Just
Just 1
5
minute.
to 10 seconds.
Guys, drag up.
Guys, kill Leo. Finish Leo. Guys, come near to me. Come near to the MP. Come near to me.
Guys,
Come near to me.
come with me.
Guys, don't jump, don't jump. Just one.
Come near to me. Just a few seconds. Okay, just 10 seconds left. Come near to me. We have to spam and do it fast. Half of us just give me cover. Others just come to me.
Guys, come. AP.
Spam it.
Radio silent, you are saying one thing 10 times. Come, MP, what the fuck? Bro?
Guys, get in the car.
Everybody get in the car, guys.
Come to generator. Everyone is generator to me.
No one go for the loot. Come to generator. Everyone come to generator.
Guys, there.
So much.
Guys, come to generator. Come to generator. Kill Leo. Kill
I
Leo. Then come to
shoot,
generator.
shoot.
Kill Leo. Then come to generator. Come to generator first. Stop shooting. Come to
I
generator.
need 4-5 people. Come here. 4-5 people. Come here. Other people give me cover. 4-5 people just come to generator. Other people just cover from the NG fast. Nice work. Very good. Do it.
Go loot.
Okay, guys,
Go, guys. Go.
Guys, go to the loot. Hey. Go to the loot. Hamza, come, Hamza.
Go loot. Guys, if you're getting arrested, let us know. We will collapse the Leos because they are not report number. We can easily collapse. Guys, everyone come to the main hangar. Need backup at main hangar. Guys, collapse all the NG. After that, we will leave the area. Okay?
Okay, sir, I'm gonna copying you.
Brother, I am arresting.
Leave the NG, guys. Leave the NG.
I am arresting. Hey, I am arresting. No man.
Everybody, leave the NG, guys.
Resit Hasan.
Everybody, leave the NG. Leave the NG, guys. Leave the NG.
Reşit Paşa.
PG Patel, are you safe? PG Patel, are you safe?
Yeah.
Guys, leave the NG. Hey, leave the NG, guys.